So here today I am cutting the pass-through holes for our sumps. Generally these are pieces of glass that will cut to size. Right here we have a couple bottoms, a couple sides. These are the pass-through holes that both of these two sumps squish together. So we'll have a nice 8-foot long sump that holds about 115 gallons total. That'll be done here hopefully by the end of the day. Important part is making sure you don't apply too much pressure down at the bottom when you're cutting the bottom of the hole. Otherwise, the bit will blast through and break the glass. So at the end, when the piece of glass gets stuck up inside of the bit, and it's not the easiest thing to get out. I've broken a couple different bits just trying to wedge out some of the glass. And that's how it's done.